Now he's diminishing
It's not present.
the Prussian kissing demons fucking lore.
Did you believe in the Illuminati, or were you a skeptic?
No, I think that I could buy that. I think it was a reptilian elite I didn't buy into. But
You believe the Illuminati?
I think the Illuminati could exist. Or an Illuminati-like group could exist, yeah. And I think they're doing a great job.
Well, I don't think. I want to let you guys know that I have been officially contacted by the Illuminati.
Really?
It's official.
What was that? What was that fucking chuckle right there? What was that?
How'd they contact you?
Persian bitch.
Russian. It's not, all I'm doing is reporting on what happened.
What was that?
Nothing.
I mean, the first right out of the gate, you're chuckling.
Let me see what you got.
All right, so
I'm thrown off.
that came to me, came to us actually, because it says Secret Stash, Attention TSD. Look how it's handwritten too.
So all of us.
In October, but I think it was for me personally.
It's
though.
it's a white envelope
But look at the hand. Look at
from
the way it's
Texas.
The return.
You weren't supposed to reveal where it was postmarked from.
Oh, we'll cut that out then.
Okay.
Okay.
No, you don't have to cut it out.
Okay. The return address just says Beyonce and Jay-Z.
Okay, so it's just a white, no return address, a Forever USA love stamp, and it says Secret Stash Attention. This is okay.
You look at the handwriting. Right off the bat, it's striking, right?
Bold,
and it's like written by like somebody who's
authoritative,
and mysterious.
Definitely mysterious,
right?
Yeah.
No return address.
No.
What's this?
That was in the envelope.
What is this?
Oh, you have to decode it?
What is this?
Can you take a picture of that so we can post that too, Git'em?
Yeah.
So it's something written in code with what looks like latitude and longitude on the bottom. Get them?
Yes.
And a little dick.
It's an omega symbol,
Yes.
right?
It's either north or south. I can't remember.
Did you type in these coordinates?
Yes.
What comes up?
Well, me and Git'em were we attempted to solve this puzzle. We didn't know what it was before.
It looks like the letter appears to be written in what. I'm not saying this is what it is, but like, you know how in Star Wars when they go to a computer and there's some language you can't tell? That's what this is written on.
I initially thought it was Klingon, possibly Cardassian.
Okay. Kardashian.
Cardassian.
Okay.
What's Kardashian? Explain it to him.
Cardassian is one of the alien races, yes.
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, you know what it is?
Sure.
It does not match any known sci-fi font or script.
And it's handwritten.
Yes.
And look at the handwriting on that.
That's pretty
That looks
crazy.
like it's printed.
It's like calligraphy.
Oh, that's not a. It looks like a print, like a Xerox.
Well, no, I mean, but that's
handwritten.
handwritten, brother.
Right, that's what I mean. But it's so neat that it looks like somebody.
Well, you can see that they did it in pencil first and then did the writing over it. So they really wanted to make sure this was clear. Time was put into this.
So you guys haven't been able. They
Yeah.
sent you the code.
No.
They broke the code.
We fucking broke the code.
Yeah.
Me and
Did
Git'em.
you?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I believe.
It looks like it's just words that aren't completed, right?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Let me see.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Scoff.
No, I'm not scoffing.
But I believe this was the Illuminati made an attempt.
No, it's not like that. I tried that too.
Q was putting it up to the glass to see if there
Yes,
was
like
some
it was possibly Da Vinci-ish
I'm
where he
working
wrote
on it.
backwards.
I'm not mocking. I'm trying to work with
You
it.
don't have to work on it. I already got it decoded right here.
But I want to see if I can decode it.
Yeah.
Good luck.
No.
Yeah, it took him and get him.
You just fucking spent $650 on a piece of fucking junk, and now you're ready to decode Illuminati messages.
What are you, high? You want some medical grade anesthesia?
What was Michael Jackson fucking
There we go.
puffing? What was it that he was on? That he was
Profanol?
Yeah.
Anyway, I believe this was the Illuminati's
Okay.
was reaching out to me, and if I could solve the puzzle, that was the first step
Right.
to becoming, to letting them know that I am worthy.
Got you. I think that's a good test.
Well, do you want to read out loud to
Yeah.
listeners what the decoded message says?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want to just read the top part? Oh, okay.
He snatches it away from Git'em. I'll hand it to him. I'm in the Illuminati, not you.
What are you ripping off?
No, this is all bullshit that Git'em put on the bottom. it actually, let's just be honest with him, Git'em. You had to go outside, but I don't think the Illuminati is going to fault us for this, because that just shows our level of wherewithal and our we had to go outside and find somebody who really knew about decoding puzzles and shit. Right? So you went to where?
I went to a group of people that I know. It's a private, closed group. So
this is the correspondence.
Pedophiles only.
Git'em asks, what language is it? And then the person from this unknown website that you, on the dark net?
Unknown group, yes.
What's it, on the dark net?
Yes.
It's just a substitution.
Cipher.
The Silk Road.
What's that? Yeah.
I assigned each symbol an arbitrary letter of the alphabet and used some sort of formula to cheat. But I think this was just a test to see if we could break it. We did. Okay. And now I think tonight,
when they listen to this,
when whoever sent this listens to it, right. I believe now it's just we're opening up a real dialogue now.
Okay.
All right. So
because this is for they're like, if they can't get past this, there's no way.
There's no way I belong in it.
Right.
But again, I mean I haven't told you this, but I don't think the invitation's for both of us. But.
Okay, I'm good with that.
Right. Evidently, it's not even for me and Q, even though it's addressed to us.
All right. So here we go. We are Illuminati. Path to Enlightenment. Second Coming. And then there's some numbers.
What's the numbers? Read the numbers. That could be important. I want you to read the whole thing.
6017, 320. Twilight to the completion of the equinox. We are many, we are few, we are chosen. GPS coordinates are for Georgia Guidestones?
The Georgia Guidestones.
What are the Georgia Guidestones?
I mean, it's tough to explain. You have to see them.
You've seen them?
I've seen pictures of them. It's almost like a Stonehenge type formation that appeared overnight, and it gives directions, 10 guidelines to in order for the world to survive, which includes culling the population, and it's written in multiple languages.
Which was erected in 1980 on granite.
So, what do you guys think?
The designer and meaning of the guide. What, they just appeared one day?
Yes.
Right.
We're Illuminati, Path to Enlightenment. Sick. Second Coming.
That means spelled incorrectly.
Yeah, I know. I don't have to be in the Illuminati to know that. For the completion of the equinox. We are many. So this person who wrote it to you misspelled shit?
I don't know.
We are many, we are few.
But that could just be the way, that might be the way they spell it. In our dictionary, it's spelled incorrectly, according to my team of code breakers.
Right. Oh, so you guys didn't break this? Your code breakers broke it?
Yeah, we couldn't break it. We needed to look outside us to figure it out. But
are you sure you want to? I mean, this is your first step in becoming Illuminati. You sure you want to reveal that?
But I think it shows. I just want to be honest with them because they probably already know already I didn't solve it. They already know that I had to go outside my. That just shows my ingenuity and my ability to okay, I can't do it, but I'll find someone else who could do it.
Mm-hmm.
Just shows what the lengths I'm willing to go.
Right. You ask Git'em.
Well, who else is there?
There's no one else.
We found somebody and we got it done.
Yeah.
That's all up to me. I hope that's all that needs to be done on this first test. And now the lines of communication are just going to open up.
They'll send you a second letter.
Send me a second test or a second thing, or maybe it'll be an invitation to join. And I got to be honest, I don't know if I'll be able to even podcast after that anymore.
Uh-oh. That sucks. Well, Git'em, you won't be the Illuminati, so yes. You could take Walt's place. Have you heard of this, the Cicada 3301? You must have heard of it, right, Git'em?
Not the...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a name given to an enigmatic organization that on 6 occasions has posted a set of complex puzzles and alternate reality games to recruit code breakers. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
These puzzles still haven't been solved, right?
They said it's the most elaborate puzzle of the internet age, and no one can solve it. Kind of like the, what's his name, Zodiac. Like back in the day, some of those letters, they were never able to break the code.
Well, what do you think, Hugh?
Well, I've been reading up on the Georgia Fieldstone. They're pretty fucking interesting. This is, did he didn't tell you how he what the language is, or
it's a simple substitution cipher. So you assign each symbol an arbitrary value, and like you ever see the one that's in the newspaper? It's like this letter means Longfellow.
Sure.
That puzzle, it's the same thing, but you're substituting symbols for letters. So then you put in those. You assign them.
It's almost the simplest type of code you could write. Right?
No, I think a simple would be direct substitute. Yeah.
But I'm here to tell the Illuminati I'm ready to do whatever needs to be done. Whatever they ask.
Except take time and figure it out for yourself.
I tried to figure it out, and I was like, you know what? I can't do it, but you know what? That means you don't give up, though.
But you went to the guy with the highest, the allegedly highest IQ at the table, and he couldn't figure it out either. So whoever figured it out for you, Git'em. Is he a member of some secret society? I'm not doubting you.
The president surrounds himself with people that are knowledgeable about other things. He can't be an expert on everything.
Mm.
Right, of course.
Right, so
you've chosen Git'em to be your
expert.
You're surrounding yourself with Git'em. Hey, man, I love you. And you know what? He figured it fucking out. So who am I to?
We both found a way to get it to get it figured out, to get it read and tell him Steve did.
Git'em figured it out.
He didn't figure it out.
Sure he did.
He fucking went to some. He just fucking went to some website. But he knew where to go. He went on the dark net after I told him he wasn't allowed to do that on the internet here.
Go on the anonymous dark net, so it looks way more suspicious if somebody's.
So you don't believe it?
I'm not saying I don't believe it. I believe that Git'em was the one that got to the bottom of it.
So you think that after hearing this, well, you know what? If the Illuminati contacts me, I want them to see who the invitation was for. And now he's not part of TSD.
I'm not.
He's not?
No.
Well, I don't think anyone is suggesting that the letter was for him.
It was for me.
It's TSD. This is Walt Flanagan.
He's woke. Now he's part of the Illuminati. He wants it all for himself.
I am not part of the Illuminati yet.
Right.
But hopefully after whoever's whatever organization sent this.
The door has been unlocked. Okay. Now it has to open, and he has to walk through it.
Right, and I have. I've walked through it now. Now I have to see if I'm welcomed. And then I got this letter, Bri.
Another letter?
And this one was fucking addressed to me.
All right. All we were saying was the other one wasn't. Okay. Dear B. Walter von Flanagan.
Baron von Flanagan?
Okay, yeah. Wong Trading International. We have been contracted by a client to facilitate the shipping, handling, and documentation of several international packages being sent to your address. Our company prides itself on the privacy we offer our customers, so we cannot divulge any information about the sender of these packages. We assure you, however, that all customer packages are properly cleared before shipping and do not allow the transport of hazardous materials. All right. And they're based in Canada, so you're going to I was going to say like you're going to get anthrax or something.
Okay, now that letter.
That letter came with this?
That letter came with this letter that you're about to read to the listeners.
Okay. I won't give the lady's name at the end.
Why?
If you want me to.
I don't care.
I am not a religious woman, but I feel I must unburden my soul that I have done no scientist would have pursued. What I have done no scientist would have pursued. I was blinded by political rhetoric and flattery, and the free hand I was given to make history in my lab at something 7, Arelsic 7 hubris. I am passing an awful weight on to you, even though I do not know you. I feel as if you need to know the truth. The subject was of your blood, even though I know you are very distant. I doubt if you even know of him, but you are the only kin he now has on this earth, and he deserves to have his story told. Why do I think a prince from Nigeria is involved in this? No. His name was redacted from the records I saw before they were all destroyed. All I was able to find was you. I'm getting the final effects in order and trying to figure out a safe way to get all this out of my country to you, as if like Canada's fucking the Ivory Coast. Be patient. I will tell you all. I must. I cannot die with this still weighing down my heart. Yours truly, Dr. Anna Zarkova.
This came with this?
Yeah.
So they've already shipped something to you.
And this was also in the envelope.
Okay. It's a picture of